Hello, and welcome to our humble project. Today we'll be talking about carbohydrates, and we will be discussing their origin, classification, simple and complex, examples in flora and fauna, and their biological functions. So what are carbohydrates? They are one of essential biomolecules. These biomolecules are not just building blocks, they are responsible for producing energy, storing them, and the instructions that every creature uses to be born, grow, and pass on to future generations. These biomolecules are carbohydrates, nucleic acids, lipids, and proteins. Carbohydrates are made of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen in the ratio of 1 to 2 to 1. They are also polyhydroxyaldehyde or ketone derivatives. Their classification: they are either simple sugars or complex sugars. Simple sugars like monosaccharides, mono standing for one, saccharide being a prefix for sugar, or disaccharide, made out of two monosaccharides bonded together with glycosidic bonds. Like fruit and dairy, these are easier to digest and break down. Complex sugars like oligosaccharide, made out of chains of 3 to 10 monosaccharides, or polysaccharides, more than 20 monosaccharides, like whole grains, legumes, and vegetables. They take longer to break down and get absorbed better. Monosaccharides. The most fundamental monosaccharide is glucose. It's originally obtained from the sun by plants through photosynthesis. It's easily transported through cellular membranes, and it's the energy source in cellular respiration and the production of ATP. They are single polyhydroxyaldehyde or ketone units. Fructose. Much like glucose, it's found in fruit, an energy source for cells through aerobic respiration. Galactose. Found in milk, it's combined with glucose to make lactose. Disaccharides, made out of two monosaccharides. First one is lactose. It's milk sugar, made out of glucose and galactose bonded together through a dehydration reaction. Left one is galactose, right one is glucose. Maltose, which is malt sugar, made from two glucose units. Sucrose, which is table sugar, made from glucose and fructose. Left one is glucose, right one is fructose. Polysaccharides. When mono and disaccharides compile to form longer, bigger chains, their function and role changes drastically. Instead of being little niblets of energy, they function as storages or structural compounds. First polysaccharide we'll be talking about is starch. Starch is how plants store energy. It can be found in roots, tubers, the sweet flesh of fruits, and the starchy seeds of wheat that we grind to make flour. It's stored as straight chains, amylose 10 to 20%, or branch chains, amylopectin 80 to 90%. Glycogen. Glycogen functions as a short-term energy storage for animals. It can be found in liver cells and muscle cells. It's also limited to 2000 kilocalories in the body. It's stored as highly branched chains. The chains themselves are made with 1 to 4 alpha glycosidic bonds, but the branches are made by 1 to 6 beta glycosidic bonds. They are highly mobile glucose. Cellulose. Cellulose can be found in the cell walls of plants. It makes out the fibers. What makes cellulose special are its bonds. Not just the bonds in the chains themselves, but the ability of these chains to connect to each other with hydrogenic bonds, making them fibers. It is also very hard to digest in humans because of their bonds. Chitin. Chitin is a structural polysaccharide, makes the exoskeleton of insects and crustaceans. What gives it special properties are the amino groups in each monomer. Not just found in insects and crustaceans. As an example, this squid right here. Its beak that it feeds with is made all out of chitin. Peptidoglycan. Peptidoglycan is a complex polysaccharide found in the cell walls of bacteria. The macromolecule possesses both rigid and flexible features thanks to its structure. Also, each monomer has peptide chains connected to them. Other functions we didn't discuss. First one is protein sparing. We can have more readily free protein in the body by sparing them from producing energy, by moving that function to carbohydrates. This way, we can have more free protein to do other functions. This is also used by dietitians and is called the modified protein sparing fast. It is used by people to obtain a better physique or cut down fat more easily. Second function is aiding in digestion. Fibers work as a trash man in the body. They bind to waste, help to remove it out of the body. Thank you for watching. Until next time.